Kaya pa dyan, o, tingnan mo, kasi naglaba. Sinampay ko yan kagabi. Ayan, yan yung salad namin. Siguro maglagay kami dyan ng small table in the middle. Para kung may uupo ng sofa guys, ay kung may mag-inom ng wine, so dyan namin ilagay. Kasi yung couple mahilig mag-inom sa wine yun. Yung babae. So, ayan nga, kasi syempre wala pa kaming makalat pa kasi yung kulot ko ay nag-aakit-akit sa sa sofa. So, ayan lang. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So, today is Sunday, 24th of December. So, now we're going out for simple lang kasi ang handa namin, guys, for Christmas because I'm not feeling the Christmas this year, but I need to cook just a simple like I prefer to 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 make is I have a dessert already, the fruit salad. So I make it. So later, because we're going out now to buy something like lechon manok, whole lechon manok. Mabibili kasi yan guys dito sa mga supermarket na na, i-bake mo na lang siya, i-preheat mo kung gusto mo ng crunchy yung balat niya, ay pwede. So yun ang bibilhin namin. At saka, I go to Seafoods Market. I think I buy milkfish. Yun ang hinahanap ko, milkfish. Pero hindi naman ano yan ha, kasi bukas ay close yata ang supermarket. So, that's why we're going out now. So, I have a spring rolls and I make a pancit. So, Filipino pancit. So, that's all only, guys. So, because we have some visitor, I don't know, my partner invite one couple, his longtime friend. So, maybe they are come later in the night. So, we have something to give them to eat. So, I buy some cake for that is only just a simple because I'm not I don't know I didn't feel the Christmas now to blah 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 to make not sing last year. So ayan na nga, we get ready for waiting my partner to come kasi uh he said to pick up us to bring in the Hanslow market to buy something because he have time to go out for a while because his boss is working in the hospital is come to the hospital to see them. So he said he got the time. So ayan nga, waiting kami. So yun yung Christmas tree namin, just a simple. I saw you. Oh, wait. Yan lang, I have the Christmas tree because I have a daughter, guys. So kung wala lang children, hindi na ako mag-decorate ng mga ganung Christmas tree. Okay na, may mga regalo, ganyan. Simpleng regalo lang yan. At yung yung ewan ko, may mga nilagay na biscuit dyan. Box of biscuit ng mga binigay sa kanya. Sa daughter ko, ayan. Yung mga regalo, simpleng regalo. Ayan lang, yung namin, may sampay pa dyan. O, tingnan mo, kasi naglaba. Sinampay ko yan kagabi. Ayan, yun yung salad namin. Siguro maglagay kami dyan ng small table in the middle. Para kung may uupo ng sofa, guys, ay kung may mag-inom ng wine, so dyan namin ilagay. Kasi yung couple mahilig mag-inom sa wine yun, yung babae. So, ayan nga, kasi syempre wala pa kaming makalat pa kasi yung kulot ko ay nag-aakit-akit sa sa sofa. So, ayan lang. Just a simple. So, inaano ko na naman yung sofa namin, tinuturn ko naman. So, yung TV, doon na nakaharap. Yan, hindi gaya dito pag kumakain kami sa table, ay makapanood ng TV yung aking kulot. Ngayon hindi na, tinorn ko na naman. Yan, para ibang position naman yan, di ba? Yan. Just a simple. Ayan lang. Hindi na akong parang mag-house tour naman ako dito. So, ayan lang po guys. See you later. See you in the supermarket.
Oh, the shop is empty. You have 20 pound voucher
Where?
from ISS. It's in your payslip. When you open your payslip, and then you see the 20 pound voucher there. You choose which shop you will use it from. Which shop you are going to use it. I didn't check mine yet. I want to see. I will see which shop are we. I put Tesco.
Oh, you have the Asda butcher, so use that to Asda.
I want to use it to buy something for some drink.
What do you want?
Huh? I'll buy you the present, something for you need.
What?
Your like your stocking.
What do you mean stocking?
How you call that? The one you wear yesterday, tie?
Tight.
Yeah.
Tight.
Okay.
Tight stocking.
Yeah, I find everybody.
Why you remove your hair, Sandrin?
It's here in the face.
I'm going to ask the new building. Cinema World.
How are you? You okay? Good, good.
Next time we watch the cinema, Sandrin. I'm going to ask the guys. This one inside is climbing. Huh? How? Ganda. Ang daming tao. There's many people around for shopping. Yogurt. Daming tao sa Asta. So many people inside, guys. Nag-ubusan na yung yung lechon manok. Pati yung fresh. Wala na out of stock. This one? No, it's not. Kaubusan. No. It's all out of stock already.
Sorry? Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
There, can I see? I know it's nothing there. Let's go at the going home.
Check there.
No, we passed already there.
Yeah, tell me.
Going out from here, guys. So, yan, guys. Andito kami sa Tesco. Naka-parking. So, hindi na ako pumasok. Yung partner ko na lang ang nag-check na kung may ba yung tawag, yung lechon manok. Kasi ubusan na talaga yung ready. Yung may pa, yung raw chicken pa. Pero, ayaw ko ng raw kasi hindi ko alam kung anong ilalagay ko para mas prepare ko yung yung ready to cook na, tapos warm na lang, ilagay na lang sa oven ng para crunchy yung skin. So, ayun yung kulot ko, guys. Kahit may ubo, sipon sa lamig ng panahon, ice cream. Yung steep there, don't steep. The cake there. looking for ice cream. So, ayan. Nagbili din ako ng ano pala, ng beef meat. Magluluto ako. Kung ayaw nila ng lechon manok. So, may beef naman akong lulutuin, di ba? Para ano naman, may ulam. Kung wala, kung walang kakain, for tomorrow, di ba? Mayroon kami, may ulam. So, ayan lang po, guys. See you na lang po mamaya pag ano. Yung partner ko na lang ang bumaba para mag-check kung may chicken, barbecue chicken. Ay, sorry. Chicken. Paubusan na kasi ang dami talagang tao guys sa mga shop ngayon kasi bukas, tomorrow, 25 is already, the shop is closed. Walang biyahe bukas. So, kaya ang mga tao, ngayon, shopping. Hindi na kami namili ng mga toys kasi nag-less na kami ng nag-less gastos kami ngayon. So, hindi na ako bumili ng seafoods. Ngayon, sabi ko, kung bibili ako ng fish ngayon, hindi naman ako magluluto ng fish. Kaya, kinancel ko munang magbili ng fish ngayon. So, hindi din ako magluluto ng seafoods kasi expensive yung seafoods ngayon. So, baka sa New Year, mag-seafoods kami. Kasi, may bisita din kami darating. Pero isang tao lang. One person, one lady lang. So, hopefully, I can buy the seafoods. Only, shrimp lang. At saka some, dishes. Yun lang. So, yan lang po sa ngayon. See you later, guys.
What are you going to do now?
Nothing.
What you want?
No rice.
Rice and then fried chicken or something to eat. So what is